Hey man, say man, it's your boy Ryan, man. In this video, we're about to install these facelift headlights. You see the 3 lines right there? On this 2017 S550. This is what it looks like with the turn signals and the hazards. This is my car right here. This is my 2015 S550. I recently wrapped it. It's lowered, tinted, straight piped, carbon fiber, and everything. 2017. Look at his headlights, so fresh. We're about to take these off, install these new ones. It should be plug and play. It should be pretty easy. It should take us about like 30 minutes. We'll be in and out of here. Bruh. All right, so we took off 4 10mm bolts across the grill right here. And now we just gotta pop out some small clips. One right here and another one on the other side. Next, you gotta remove the wheel well. You gotta use one of these pry tools. It's a clip remover. There's a few clips. There's one right here, another one up here. The clips just pop out. Now we're gonna do this side. I'm gonna take off the wheel well. Watch this. Easy. This top one is out. Easy. All right, next, you gotta take off these 2 screws up here. They're holding on the bumper, just like this. All right, now we're gonna take off the grill. All right, easy. All right, now to take off the front bumper, we just need to take off these 2 bolts. There's one right here, another one right here. It's a 10mm bolt. This bolt is off. That one is off as well. Watch this. Oh, it's out. Just like that, the front bumper is off. All right, let's take off the headlight. It's 1 5/16 bolt. And now the headlight should come out. It's just a clip down here. Oh, is it? Oh, yeah, sick. It's like that, front headlight is off. Now we're gonna test out the new headlight. Ooh, whiskey. Come on now. All right, now we're gonna try the turn signals. Oh, that works. And then now we're gonna do the high beams. Oh yeah, they work. Hell yeah. Looks good. All right, now we have to remove the plastic housing / the gasket from the original light and then transfer it over to the new light. Yeah, there you go. There you go, hell yeah. All right, boys, just like that, housing is off. We're gonna put this on the new light. If your headlight doesn't line up that well, it's most likely because of this bolt right here. You just gotta tighten it in or out, depending on how your original one looks like. For his, it's this far out, so we had to match it up here. And then once we did that, everything lined up pretty nicely. Look at the fitment. Now we're gonna do this side. And now the headlight's gonna pop out. Nice. Just like that, clip is out. This is the new light. We're gonna transfer that seal from the old light over to this light. Also, a quick plug, he's got Apple CarPlay in his car. Check out the Apple CarPlay from Apex Modules. And if you press and hold the hang up button, you'll get your OEM screen. And then if you press it again, you'll get Apple CarPlay, and it works for any car. So check out the website and then see if your car's compatible. You can see your phone, maps, messages, music, news, calendar, and settings, and then a whole lot more as well. All right, push that clip down, and then we'll slide this back. Just like that. This comes out, and then using a flathead, we could pry it off from all the corners. That should be good. All right, just like that, this is out. We're gonna transfer it to the new light. All right, boys, we're almost finished. We're about to reinstall the bumper and then the other light and then the grill right here. All right, so you guys see this thing right here, the screw right here? On the new headlight, it comes pre-screwed all the way in, but that's not gonna fit pretty nice. So we're gonna mock it up exactly like this. Go like 3 screws out. So we're just gonna unscrew this. All right, we're loosening it. You guys see how this one is screwed out a little bit? We're doing the same thing to that one right there. We're screwing it out. So that way everything matches up nicely. Do not get a German Shepherd. Look what my dog did. She's only like 3 or 4 months old. She's tearing me apart, bruh. Oh no. Bruh. Now we're gonna reinstall this headlight. This is the brand new one. We adjusted all the screws. Clip back in there, just like that. All right, 1 screw is in. Cool. All right, last bolt is going in, kind of. All right, boys, bumper is going back on. Should just slide right in. We're on the passenger side bumper. We just gotta line it back up. Yeah, like that. Oh yeah, it's going. Just like that, it's tight. Bumper is retied on this side. Right now we're just doing the grill. Clips, that's for the camera. That goes in there. Just like that, grill is back on. All hands on deck. It's good. Check your side. It's cool. It's cool. All right, you wanna close it? All right, bye. So it can look like this. This is how it looks like. turn signals, high beams, and hazards. Now, we did pretty good. This is the facelifted headlights. This is what it looks like. Pretty sick. This is what it looks like with the turn signals and the hazards. Hell yeah, good job. All right, boys, that's gonna wrap it up. Like, comment, subscribe. Next video, we might do the lowering links. We'll see. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and then that's it.
Bruh.